Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're embarking on a journey to unlock the secrets of achieving healthy, radiant skin through the perfect blend of skincare and makeup. Let's kick things off with the foundation of any great makeup look: healthy skin. Start by cleansing your face to remove impurities. Follow up with a toner to balance your skin's pH. Now, the magic ingredient, a good face cream. I'm using a moisturizer enriched with nourishing elements like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Apply it in gentle, upward strokes to enhance circulation and promote a firmer complexion. With our skin prepped and ready, let's move on to makeup. Choose a foundation that not only matches your skin tone but also suits your skin type. Today, I'm using a foundation known for its lightweight formula that provides coverage while allowing your skin to breathe. Blend it in seamlessly with a makeup sponge for that flawless, natural finish. Now, onto the eyes. I've selected an eyeshadow palette, not just for its stunning shades but also for the added benefit of antioxidants. Apply your eyeshadow with precision, blending colors effortlessly to create a mesmerizing look. For the lips, indulge in a lipstick that not only adds a pop of color but also contains moisturizing elements. I've chosen a lipstick, ensuring our lips stay vibrant and hydrated throughout the day. With the makeup in place, let's ensure it lasts all day. Grab a makeup setting spray, a key player in the longevity of your look. A few spritzes, and you're ready to conquer the day with confidence. Voila! We've achieved a healthy skin-friendly makeup look that not only enhances our features but also cares for our skin. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more beauty insights. Until next time, stay fabulous!